Hey guys, it's Claudia Fiorello. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you all a prom makeup look. I'm going to be showing you all how to achieve the look and also some of my favorite products. Behind me we have Rachel doing the hair and Kristen is the model for today. So let's get right into the video. This is the look that I did today. It's a silver smoky eye with a classic red lip. First, what I am doing is I'm going to do the eyebrows. I like to do this first because it really can frame the face. She already had like a perfect shape, so I just filled it in with a powder and I used my Anastasia palette. So I just brushed it out and I just really defined what she already had. Next, I'm going to take a light brown. I'm just going to place that in the crease just to define our crease a little bit. I also used kind of like a charcoal color in the outer corner just to define it just a little bit more. Next, I'm going to be using my NYX White Cream Primer. I really love this to put when I'm using glitters and things like that. It really just helps it stay on better. And for some reason, I accidentally deleted the next part where I put the silver eyeshadow on. And I deleted the part where I blended it all together. But it's very simple. Next, I'm using some Ardell lashes. I will link all the products I put below. Place these on with some tweezers and some Ardell black glue. Well, not black, white. You know what I mean, guys. Next, I used a little bit of Morphe bronzer just to define her face. I put it in her cheekbones, and then I did a 3 on each side of the face to define every natural feature. Next, I did a little bit of blush just on the apples of the cheeks. Put that on each side, and I do the whole part. Then I sprayed it with my NYX setting spray, buff this in a little bit, then put some highlighter. I love to do this after I do the setting spray because it makes it even more intense, and who doesn't love a good highlight? I also use the Anastasia palette. Then I put a little bit under her eyebrow bone just to get even more of a highlight because I love highlighter. Next, I'm using an Armani red lip liner. I'm just outlining her lip, and I love to do this with red lipsticks. That way it helps it stay on longer and it does not feather or bleed, which is perfect to have. Just making sure I got all the sides correct because you do not want it to be messed up, especially when you're doing such a dark color. And then I keep fixing it because I'm a perfectionist. Next, I'm using my Armani red lipstick in 404 Flamboyant, and I'm just filling it in with a lip brush. I love lip brushes the best just because you can get every little angle and it looks absolutely perfect. So I told her to blot it together. That way you don't have to use as much lipstick and it does not look as clumpy. Getting all the angles. And then after that, I usually take like a Q-tip or something just to make sure like every part is perfect. And this is the finished look. She is absolutely gorgeous and I had so much fun doing this, and I'm also sorry that I deleted some parts on accident. But this is the finished prom look and I think it's so elegant and beautiful. I would also like to thank my friend Gustavo for filming this video and also taking these beautiful pictures. I will put all of his information below and his Instagram. Bye guys.